Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Hexic equation. X raised to the power of 6 plus 64 is equal to 0. And in our video today, we're going to find all roots of x. So let's get started. From here, we have x raised to the power of 6 plus 64. This is equal to 0, right? So we have here x raised to the power of, we can write this as 2, then cubed, right? Because 2 times 3 is 6, then plus here, this is 4 cubed, this is equal to 0. Now we can make use of sum of 2 cubes formula. We know that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So using this nice identity, so this is going to become x squared plus 4 multiplied by x squared raised to the power of 2, which is same as x to the power of 4. Then minus 4 times x squared, right? And then plus 4 squared, which is 16. So this is equal to 0. So from here, this implies that either x squared plus 4 is equal to 0, or x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x squared. Okay, so from here, x to the power of 4 minus 4x squared, then plus 16 is equal to 0. From here, let's solve this equation. X squared will be equal to negative 4, right? Then take the square root on both sides. We get x is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 4, right? So x is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 1 is I, and square root of 4 is 2. So we get 2i. So we have two solutions here. And for this equation, we're going to make use of nice algebraic manipulation, right? So let's see our skill here. So this is x raised to the power of 4, right? Minus 4x squared plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is what we're going to do. We can write this as x raised to the power of 2 whole squared. And here we have plus 16 is 4 squared. Then if you have a plus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by x squared, then we're going to also subtract this, which is what? Oh, are we subtracting that? No. Remember, we have 2 times 4 is 8, then x squared. So this is 8x squared. So we must subtract 12x squared. You know why? Because we know that 8x squared minus 12x squared will give us this negative 4x squared. And then we have this is equal to 0. Take a look at this place. This is a perfect square. And what is that? It is the square of x squared plus 4, right? And here we have minus, so 12 is same as 2 root 3. And then we have x, so if everything is squared like this, then we get 12x squared. So this is equal to 0. And here we have difference of two squares. Did you find out that? So this right over here is x squared plus 4 plus 2 root 3x multiplied by x squared plus 4 minus 2 root 3x, and this is equal to 0. So we solve this equation separately. First, we have x squared plus 2 root 3x plus 4. This is equal to 0. Secondly, we have x squared minus 2 root 3x plus 4. This is equal to 0. So use the general quadratic formula. We get x will be equal to negative b will be negative 2 root 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared will be 2 root 3 squared. Remember that it is square root of 12 that is 2 root 3. So it will be 12 minus 4ac, which is 16, then divided by 2. And here x will be equal to negative b will be 2 root 3, then plus or minus this will be square root of 12 minus 16 divided by 2. So here we get x is equal to negative 2 root 3 plus or minus. So this is square root of negative 4, then divided by 2. Or from here we have x is equal to 2 root 3 plus or minus square root of negative 4 divided by 2. So we get x is equal to negative 2 root 3 plus or minus square root of negative 4 is 2i divided by 2. or x is equal to 2 root 3 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. Then we split the denominator, and finally we have x is equal to negative root 3 plus or minus I, right? And from here we get x is equal to positive root 3 plus or minus I. And remember the first two solutions, x is equal to plus or minus 2i. And here we have 6 complex roots, right? Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.